Alright guys, it's game day. Let's smoke a jalapeno chorizo dip. Let's go. We're using soy chorizo, a little bit healthier, but it's still going to be good. So we're going to put this into our skillet, cook this up, put it to the side, then make our dip. We're going to coat this in the oil and just cook until it's brown. When it starts to dry out, throw a little water in there. We're right about where we need to be. I'm going to shut this off. Cover this. We'll get back to this right now. Alright, let's make our dip. In a bowl, add 1 cup of yellow shredded cheese. We got some cream cheese here. I like the Philadelphia. 1, 2, 1 cup of sour cream. Alright, now that we de-seeded them, I'm going to chop this up nice and fine for our dip. Going with our garlic. Just 3 cloves is good. We're going to go in with our garlic. Then in with our jalapeños. This is 4 whole jalapeños chopped up. I'm going with some paprika. Going with some black pepper. Some salt. Then we're going to add our chorizo. Now we're going to stir all this up. I know it looks funny right now, but once it cooks down, whoo, you better watch out. This thing's going to be good. I'm actually inventing this thing. I'm trying to make a dip for Super Bowl. Yeah, I made a smoked buffalo chicken last year and it went viral, so just trying to make something different this year and see what's up. You want to make sure you mix it really good. This is going to be key, but everything is working together. This is pretty much ready, guys. I'm going to get a aluminum pan and I'm going to throw it in there, and then we'll throw it into our smoker, let it smoke for 2 hours at 250, and we'll give it a little turn at the hour mark. Alright, we get our pan. We're just going to dump everything into this pan. Just like that. Boom. Alright, and then you can just kind of smooth it if you want. Make it a little better. If you turn this and do this, it kind of helps. So, there it is. Perfect. In goes the dip. 250. We'll check on it in about 1 hour. Using pecan, so it tastes nice and smoky. It's my first time making this dip because I invented it. So let's see how it looks after 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. I'm gonna stir this thing up. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Damn. That. I'm going to give it a little stir. I'm going to let it go for another, let's call it another hour. Just to get a little stir, get it nice and crunchy everywhere. Good mix in here. It's been an hour. Let's go ahead and give this thing a check. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. This thing's actually ready. Let's pull it off and give it a try. Alright, let's give this dip a try. Man, I cannot cannot wait to try this thing. Looks so good. Give it a try. Nice and spicy, creamy. It's got everything you need in a dip. You could make this dip a little quicker. If you don't want it low and slow, you can cook it a little faster, but I recommend low and slow to get that little smoky flavor from the pecan pellets. This is really, really good. Dude, the jalapeños. Oh man, just so good. Ooh, baby, that is good. All right, guys, that's it. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video. Make this on Super Bowl. You won't regret it. It's bomb.